Today, we're going to talk about the amazing health benefits of turmeric. From reducing inflammation to fighting off diseases, turmeric is a superfood that deserves our attention. Turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which has potent anti-inflammatory properties. This can help reduce joint pain and inflammation, making it a great natural remedy for conditions like arthritis. Turmeric is also rich in antioxidants, which can help protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. This can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases like cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. Turmeric has been shown to have neuroprotective effects, which can help reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases, like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. It may also improve cognitive function and memory. Turmeric has immunomodulatory effects, which can help boost the immune system and reduce the risk of illnesses like the common cold and flu. Turmeric has also been shown to have benefits for skin and digestive health. It may help reduce symptoms of acne, psoriasis, and other skin conditions, as well as improve digestion and reduce symptoms of IBS. And there you have it, folks. Turmeric is a superfood that offers a multitude of health benefits. From reducing inflammation to improving brain health, turmeric is a great addition to a healthy diet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more health-related content.